Tragedy has struck the football world. Portuguese and Liverpool forward Diogo Jota has died in a car crash, alongside his younger brother Andre Silva. The crash happened in the early hours of July 3rd on a highway in Spain. Reports say their Lamborghini veered off the road, possibly due to a tire blowout, and caught fire. Both brothers were pronounced dead at the scene. What makes this even more heartbreaking? Diogo had just gotten married 10 days ago, on June 22nd. He leaves behind his wife, Ruth Cardoso, and their 3 children. Jota was 28 years old. UEFA has announced a minute of silence before Portugal's next match in honor of Diogo and his brother. Rest in peace, Diogo Jota.